In times of great upheaval and global challenges, new technologies are enabling us to work together. But at the same time, we are becoming increasingly vulnerable. Increasing connectivity leads to new dependencies, leads to new uncertainties, and to systemic risks. And once interrelations take effect that no one anticipated, things happen that are difficult to predict or to quantify. What we can learn is to maintain the functions of a system as well as possible. We can learn to apply optimal strategies to recover from disruptions quickly and at reasonable cost. We can learn to adapt. To solve these complex decision-making problems, we need to identify appropriate tools and link them in a meaningful way. Scientific methods can help us do this. Maximally effective measures to strengthen resilience are being developed by researchers at RESIS, Resilient and Smart Infrastructure Systems, a specialized team at the Institute for Thermal Energy Technology and Safety at KIT. Multi-level and hybrid approaches are being developed for various applications. Mathematical optimization, simulation, and machine learning are combined, and specific dependencies, disturbances, and uncertainties are addressed. The science-based solutions are suitable for preventative planning and agile management in operational business. Designing sustainable and robust solutions for the future. The KIT Resilient and Smart Infrastructure Systems team.